Just so we're clear, we are really here no fakes. When it comes to these reactions, you already know, so let's go. Rise and shine. Sleeping Beauty. Bro, look at your hand. Oh, he woke up. And suicide. We grappled that roof over his head. Oh man. An emergency. Wow. How did nigga how?
なんだと思う？朝の幻覚。はずれー。まさか敵の襲撃ですか？
Weirdo.
かかったとか。自分で入った。いや何ね。こうしてドラム缶にはまる自殺法があると聞いたものだけで拷問法だったのだ。僕の名前は中島敦。
Oh shit. Turn up.
太宰さんに助けられた。そして太宰さんはこんな感じだけど助けを求めなかったのですか？
You don't like asking for help.
そうなんだけどって。そしたらみんな口を揃えておめでとうございますだった。
Congratulations.
でしょうね。まったく異能力者って連中はみなどこか心がいびつだ。異能力者か。太宰さん、武装探偵社の自分の意志で。
No, you transform at the full moon.
だから僕が入っても何の役にも立てないと思います。
Such a Debbie Downer.
ありがたいお話ですが、すいません。これからどうするつもりだい？
You'll never ever get paid.
仕事を探してみようと思います。そう簡単に見つかるとは思えませんが。
Good luck.
君ができそうな仕事に心当たりがある。よければ斡旋してあげられるが。本当？大丈夫だ。私が保証する。
You're always doing this to people. You can even tell. Yeah, no.
社の信頼と民草の数形を一心に良くする男なのだから。こんなところにおったが太宰。
Get him.
包帯無駄遣い装置が。
国木田君、今の呼び名やるじゃないか。
同月某日入電。
うちの飲み代の付けちゃんと払ってくださいね。半年分です。そんなバカ。
Nigga got 6 months with a sad nigga. You trifling. People see that and they're like, are they gay? Oh man, I'm gonna have fun with this. Yeah, I feel like 2 minutes. Turn up. Wow. How come the police ever heard about this? Wow. Personal grievance. No. Rock, paper, scissors, my guy. He says you do it.
来るな。社長以外に用はない。
妙な素振りを見せたら吹き飛ばすよ。
わかった。
知ってるぞ。あんたは国木だが。
Oh, he knows you.
させてあの嫌味な異能力を。
彼を刺激するだけだ。
And that's where you come in, Asushi.
どうしたものか。
Don't piss your pants.
猛烈に嫌な予感が。嫌です。まだ何も言ってないよ。言われない。
She says, hell no.
聞いてくれ、アツシ君。社員ではなく、犯人に面が割れていないのは君だけだ。
Yeah, so you're a loose screw.
僕が言っても何もできません。とっては。
That looks embarrassing
アツシ君。
and kind of suspect.
やめなさい。こんなことして何になる。
Bro, he looks like a clown.
なんだあんた。
Oh, bro, he put some bass in his voice.
あんた探偵社の人間じゃないな。
見ての通り通りすがりの。
Look at that.
爆発したら君にも僕にも朝は来ない。
Oh man, suicidal expert.
そんなことわかってる。
Just bum rush this nigga. That's all you gotta do. Just run up on him. Run up on this man. Oh, bro, that's flinch worthy effort. Flinch worthy. Oh man. Oh, he broke character.
今だ国木田君。
わかっている。異能力。ドッポ銀脚。
Oh. Oh shit.
解決したのだから細かいことはいいじゃないか。神経質になりすぎる。
Oh, you calling him old?
が急速に進むそうだよ。
それは本当か。
ほら、メモ。
神経質す
You falling for that shit too much.
嘘だけど。
Don't look at the girl, nigga. Nigga, you're testing your manhood right now.
僕は何をやってるんだ。
What's next? Fun Fetty? Bro, you look like an ass right now. Oh, she has a brother complex. Oh, she's one of those.
バイトさんもグルってことですか。
小僧。恨むなら太宰を恨め。
He should get his ass beat.
先人を間違えた己を恨め。
Get him.
これって言っただろ。ちょっとした試験があるって。つまり入社試験。
その
社内で揉めてね。
I mean, you're homeless anyway, so.
社長はもしここに世界一強い能力者が現れたら雇いますか。
What to do?
が探偵社員たる根拠とはなり得ない。
What you do with it?
だから私は彼を推すんです。
それで社長、どのようなご判断を？
Yeah, big man, what's your decision? You sure it's not about the violence?
無駄に大当たり去るなんてなかなかできること。君は大丈夫だ。でも
社長は彼に探偵社に入ってほしいというお考えなのですか？
Nerd.
茶柱が立ってる。
さぞかし大変だ。それに君はお尋ね者の虎だからな。
Oh, he's shaming that nigga.
知れたらどんな仕事もよくてクビ。悪ければ捕まって射殺だろうな。
Boom, boom, boom.
この探偵社なら
話は別だけど。
それってつまり
よろしくお願いしますわアキシさんお兄様
規則は守れよ。
Weirdo.
じゃあ、
So let's get this straight. Dazai gets caught in the bomb. Well, Dazai gets caught in a barrel saying, if my leg's snapping too, that's how you commit suicide. So apparently Dazai has a test for Asuchi. It's pretty much to disarm the bomb. But before that, Kunikita pretty much got on Dazai's ass for saying you have a whole list of complaints. Niggas don't lie to this young man who more or less doesn't have a future ahead of him because of how he's built. So anyway, long story short, there's a bomb threat going on within the agencies on top of the 4th floor. And to make it even worse, Kunikita lost to Dazai and they give him a rock, paper, scissors, which is sad. So the bomber made Kunikita get on all fours. Pause. Again, pause, which is kind of suspect. So Dazai's like, hey, Asuchi, what you need to do is be a worthless human actor. I mean, you was talking so much shit about that in the first episode, bro. Do that again. We're gonna need that, my guy. So Asuchi does his best acting skills on par with the legendary quickness, and the Mad Bomber himself is like, where did y'all find this nigga? Like, goddamn, he's ass. So, but in actuality, it was a test. So the Mad Bomber is pretty much works for the agency, and apparently his sister has like a brother complex, like, which is kind of fucking suspect. Like she's one of those. So the president has an ability too, but we don't know what it is. I mean, everybody got abilities. We don't know what it is. So Queen Nikita's ability is pretty much writing shit down and making them a reality and into an ideal. Boom, boom, bang. So the president made Dazai decide. He's like, you're hired, but at the exact same time, Dazai is also the type of dude to lord stuff over people, just get what he wants. Yes, he one of those. So comment down below what y'all want to see me react to next. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.